Hello guys, it's Godafeli here. So today is going to be like a lesson 1 of all the things that I learned that I'm going to share with you guys. So the first thing is I'm going to share with you the website that I've been using to learn how to code using HTML, which is w3schools.com. As you can see, it's very user friendly, and you can also be able to run the code inside the website. You don't have to copy the code in your notepad and run it outside the website. So for today, it's going to be like a practice for me because I'm going to teach you the basics of the first few topics that I learned. So the first thing you do is you open Notepad. Yeah, so this is what you are going to be using to code. Let me minimize it. Yeah. So the first thing that you have to do is to define the type of HTML you are using, that is according to the description that was shown in the website that I was learning from. So the HTML I'm using, this is the code that defines it. Apostrophe, then caps lock, doc type, HTML, then you close it, then enter. So the next thing you're going to write in your code is the language, which is HTML. And also you define the type of English or language that you are using. So to do that, you use lang, then equal sign, then apostrophe en, that stands for English, then you close it. Yeah. The next thing you do is you write the head, then the title, and here you can write the title of the web page. So for today I'm going to write lesson 1, or begin coding for beginners. Then for the head, because it has a beginning tag, you have to have an end tag. An end tag is written like, for example, this title has a beginning tag and an end tag. So for now I'm writing the end tag. You start with a slash, then title. Use small letters. You're done. So you have a beginning tag for title and an end tag. So coding for beginners is the title. You have defined where it starts from and where it ends. Then after you write the title, you close the head. That means you write the end tag for the head. Slash head. Yeah. So we have to continue because we also have to have the end tag for the HTML, which we wrote in the beginning. Yeah. This part, this one. The next thing we write is the body. So here is where we're going to have the headings, the paragraph, images, links. This is where all the most of the content of the website is going to be. Yeah, so you open the tag and write body, then close it. Then you see we have our beginning tag for body. So after you've written your paragraphs, your headings, your images, you've finished, that is when you close the body and then finally close the HTML. By closing, I mean you write the end tag for the body and the end tag for the HTML. So the next thing after the body is the heading, which is H1, heading 1. The headings go from heading 1 up to heading 6. Yeah. So for heading, we're going to have lesson 1. And then you close the tag. You can pause the video and try it for yourself. Then after heading, the next thing you can write is the paragraphs. Yeah. So how to code a paragraph? You use a P, a small P. Open the tag, write P, then close it. So for paragraph, I'm just going to write something simple or something simple. You can write anything. For example, today I took full stop. So for example, if you, instead of closing the paragraph, by closing I mean writing the end tag for the paragraph, which is going to be /p, you can write a page break, a line break I mean, so that the next line starts here, starts below here in the web page instead of being continuous. I'm going to write it. The way to code for a line break is by writing BR, then you continue with your paragraph. So the next thing I'm going to write is my pet really full stop. Then after here, now you can close the paragraph by writing the end tag, which was /p. Yeah. The next thing I wanted to talk about was if you wanted to write a paragraph without having to continuously adding the line break code, you can use this code, which is pre, and this allows you to write the paragraph that you want in a format that will remain the same once you run it in the website. For instance, if I choose to write water below the table, then I close. This is how it is going to appear in the website. it will not change if you use this type of code. Yeah. Then the next thing I wanted to share is how to add the background color of your website. You just come here to where you wrote the beginning tag for body. Yeah. Then you space it and write style and equal sign and double quotation marks, then background hyphen color colon, let us choose teal or maybe sky blue. Yeah. Or which color should we choose? Maybe orange. Yeah. Then semicolon, then you close the quotation marks. That is how you add a background color to the body. You can choose which color you want. You can change. There is different types of colors. There's powder blue, there's light blue, there's green, there's teal. Yeah. Then for editing colors for the headings paragraph, you just come here for heading 1, you space it again, write style equal sign double quotation marks color, then colon, then you choose the color that you want to write it with. Maybe if you choose green, then semicolon, then you close it. That is how you add the code for colors. Yeah. And for the closing tag, you don't have to add that, you just add it to the beginning tag. Yes. The next thing I wanted to talk about was how to add quotation marks. For example, let me add a paragraph here. The name, then don't forget to close the paragraph. Yes. So if I want to add quotation marks, let's say to the word pet, I come here before pet, then I add the code for running a quotation mark, which is Q. I close it. Then after pet, where I want the quotation marks to end, I write slash, then Q, and close it. Yeah. So when I run the code, the quotation marks are going to be where pet is. The next thing I wanted to talk about is how to bold anything that you want to bold. For example, let's say I want to bold the word neighborhood. I will just come here before neighborhood, then add the letter B. This is the code for running bold. Then after neighborhood, where I want the bold to end, I write slash B, which is the end tag for bold. Sorry. Yeah. Then the next thing that I wanted to talk about was how to finish your coding. So you first close the body, because we opened the body but we did not close it. You first close the body, which is hash body, not hash, slash, sorry. Then the next thing is you close the HTML. Now you are ready to run the code. So the first thing is file. You save the code. So for us, let us say this is lesson 1.html. Then you save the file as all files so that you can be able to run it, and you save it somewhere you can be able to access it easily. You make sure you see where you've saved it. Save it. Then you go to where you saved it. You see lesson 1 here. Then you open it where you want. For us, we are going to open it using Microsoft Edge. You see, we were able to achieve bolding. We were able to achieve the title of the web page, which is Coding for Beginners. As you can see, we were able to achieve the body, we were able to achieve the lesson, the head, which is Coding for Beginners, paragraph. The first paragraph, we inserted a line break here, and as you can see, from the line break we were able to separate the two sentences. And for the part where we used pre, as you can see, it remained the same as the way we put it in the notepad. It did not change, as I explained. And for the second paragraph, as you can see, we were able to insert the quotation marks here. As you can see, the word pet is quoted. For neighborhood, the bold was able to apply. For the background color, you can see it is orange. For the lesson, you can see that it is green. Yes, so that is all I'm going to talk about today. Please join me next time so that you can learn with me more. I will explain on how to add an image to your text, how to add a link, and I will give further explanations on how to change themes in your website. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe so that we can learn together. I will be posting once or twice a week. Yes, so today is Tuesday. The next time I will be posting is maybe going to be Thursday or Friday, but I will ensure I update you guys. Please follow me on my TikTok at Kodafeli, my Instagram Kodafeli2, everywhere. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you very much.